Welcome. Today is our lesson again over two-step inequalities. However, we're going to be mixing it in with two-step equation. So let's look at this. This is an inequality. Inequality are the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. And this is the equation. How do I notice the equation? It has an equal sign. So what's the difference between these two? Well, the only difference is, and here, we have to graph more than or less than. But pretty much you do solve it the same way. So let's start with let's start with the equation first. What I like to do is I like to have the kids highlight or circle the equal sign. So this left side, here's our variable x. So I tell kids, cover it up with your finger. How can I undo the subtraction 1? I add 1 to both sides. This cancel x divided by 2 equal -2 plus 1 is -1. Now, how do I undo a dividing? I have to multiply both sides by 2. Cancel. X is equal to -2. To graph this, I put -2, and if it's equal to it, I just do a closed dot. My test point will be -2, so let's check my work. -2 divided by 2 is -1. -1 minus 1 is -2. Correct. Now let's do the inequality. Same thing. I like to highlight or circle the inequality. So again, here's the x. I cover it with my hand. How do I undo subtract 6? Add 6 to both sides. Cancel -2x. -2 plus 6 is 4. How do I undo a multiplying? I have to divide by -2. Divide by -2. Cancel x. 4 divided by -2 is -2. Uh-oh. What do you remember? When you multiply or divide by a negative number, it's like you're doing the opposite of it. Opposite. So we need to flip it around. The opposite of greater or equal to is less than or equal to. So let's graph this. So -2 right here, -1, 0, -3 here, -4. So let's see. Less than or equal to. So close dot. Where do you find the lesser side on the number line? On the left side. So I highlight all the way down here. So it is time to use the test point. So I'm going to use -4. -2 times -4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. That is greater or equal to -2. Check mark. If I had not flipped or reversed the inequality sign, it would have not, this value would have not been true. And that's how you solve two-step equations and two-step inequalities.